In order to set up your availabilities, navigate to the Account tab in the left side menu and select Availabilities. This will display a calendar when you select the days you are available for mentoring. Days in the calendar are divided into time slots. Select the date and time convenient for you by clicking on the time slot and inputting the hour range, like Monday between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. Specify the location. We recommend to just input LaunchPad 11. You can make your availability a regular occurrence by clicking Repeating. Then select number of days, weeks, or months determining your cycle. You can end repeat after a certain date or after a specified number of occurrences. You can make more than one availability. Just click the next slot of your choosing.